Finding steady opportunities in the crypto space often means you need solid technical know-how and have to keep an eye on things all the time. Today, we're taking a closer look at GCRE, Greg, a platform that's been built specifically to make the arbitrage process easier and more straightforward by spotting and picking up on price differences across a range of global exchanges. So what exactly are we getting up to today? Well, we're going to walk through the dashboard, have a look at their transparency reports, then break down exactly how their internal logic works. To give you a clear look at this innovative financial tool, ladies and gents, just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice, this video is for educational purposes only. Alright, so ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to introduce you once again to what's known as GCRAA, and I want you all to understand that. This operates as a specialised crypto lab that focuses on what's called arbitrage. And if you don't know what arbitrage is, basically it's the practice of buying an asset on one exchange at a lower price and then flogging it on another exchange where the price is much higher. Now, this platform is specifically designed to really cut down the initial barriers to entry for users who want to make the most of different market inefficiencies without having to do any manual trading across heaps of different trading platforms. Alright, so let's get straight into it. I need you all to understand, when it comes to GCRAO, folks, it's made for both newbies and seasoned traders by automating the tricky parts of arbitrage. So have a look at the link down below in the description. Click on it right here, right up the top, see? You'll be able to see what we call Get Started. Okay, once you click on that, you lot can enter your details. If you haven't set up an account yet, that's all good, and we're going to go ahead and log in. Easy as, right? So, as you can see, right here is the main dashboard. We've got our funding balance, and we've even got our spot balance. You can see overall we've got our wallet balance. You can even check out recent transactions, the currency converter, route and flow, and heaps more. Alright, so it's pretty easy and straightforward, yeah? So I want you lot to understand, if we have a look here, we've got what's called the C or B plans. It's really important for you all to know that you've got plenty of different opportunities. We've got a starter, we've got advanced, we've got ROC, and then it just keeps going from there. Right, ROC input. So we had Tier 1 and Tier 2. All right, and you can see all the important details we've even got right down here. Strategic positioning. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how this works. Click on View Plan right here. We've got ROI, we've got duration, and we've even got capital back. You lot can see all the info, obviously, on all of these. Okay, so we're going to click right here. View upon it. Easy as. Simple. Okay, so I want you all to understand the overall cycle here. You lot, I mean, it's unreal. Okay, you literally don't have to do anything here. So we click on the starter input CRB plan. We're going to put in the amounts. You can see right here, we can pick our wallets. Super easy and simple. All right, so once again, our balance is $3,825, which includes the initial invest, $3,500, and we've got, what was it? $325 for spots. Okay, so I need you all to understand, we're going to go ahead and put this in. So we're going to do our initial investment right here at $3,500. I want you all to understand as well, there will be a small withdrawal fee. Let's just go ahead and put everything in here. I'm just a bit curious to see if we can do it. $30,825. So there will be a small fee here. A 1% withdrawal fee, which the platform clearly states, right? Is company revenue. Right, this is company revenue. So we're going to click right here to keep going, and then after that, you'll see exactly how this works. All right, so enter the amendments. Let's just go ahead and put in another one here. Let's do the $3,500. We're going to go ahead and click right here, and you can see it right here starting, okay? So we've got our overall timeline, we've got our ROI, and you can see right there, it's ongoing. Okay, so pretty easy and simple, eh? Once you lot get your head around that. And something else I'd like to mention, ladies and gents, is the fact that this platform is also backed by long-term consistency. You can see this through their overall social media presence. So, for example, you could check out their official Twitter profile, also known as their X account, and their Instagram page, just to name a couple. Not only that, I want you all to understand there's heaps of external validation as well. This is one of the biggest key pillars here, right? Whenever it comes to GCREG, your lot, they've been featured in this major publication, also known as the London Daily News. Not only that, but they've also got MEXI. So one big article is right here. So MEXI, this is pretty huge, you guys. This actually talks about how they're transforming international finance through what they call innovation. That's right. So once again, your lot, when it comes to GCREG, You need to get this. The whole process is you pick a plan, like the Starter CRB, for 5 days, and it lets the system run arbitrage trades for you. Alright, so if you want to stay in the loop or keep up to date with the biggest market trends and platform updates, make sure you check out GKRIG News. This is really, really, really important. Let me know exactly what you reckon. Have a look. Alrighty. So, ladies and gents, once again, Craig offers a straightforward and transparent way to get into crypto arbitrage with clear fee structures and a solid social in it up. Now, if you're keen to see how they're making the most of market inefficiencies, check out the articles in the description and have a go at the dashboard yourself. And remember, this is just for educational purposes. It's not financial advice. Always make sure you do your own research. Other than that, drop a comment, hit the like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video.